Hello friends, I am Shivaji Walke. In today's session of agrotourism, we are going to learn about why people travels to agrotourism centers or what are the different reasons for visiting agrotourism center. This part is for theory and practical also. So we'll begin with why people visit to agrotourism centers. So first one, to strengthen family relationships, then for better health and mental well-beings, then for the purpose of rest and relaxations, then for enjoying open and free space, then for performing some adventurous activities, then for enjoying nature beauties, then watching birds and animals, then for the purpose of knowledge and research activities, then celebrating some special occasions and festivals, and finally to enjoy rural childhoods. So these are the some reasons that's why people love to visit agrotourism centers. So we'll see one by one. First one, to build or to strengthen family relationships. Member of family get more time to spend with each other when they travel or when they visit such agrotourism places and experience a varied culture for all age groups. Then second one, agrotourism provide recreational or entertainment opportunity to all age group at very cheapest cost. Then some rural games, festivals, food, dress and natures provide the variety of entertainment to the entire family, thus improving the bond between the family and get the time to spend each other in a happy way. As you know, agrotourism is an for all age groups. It is for children also, it is for adult also, young also and even age also, male also and female also. So it allows to visit all families. Okay, it having different kind of recreational activities or entertainment activities for all age groups. Okay, like some rural games, then some festivals, foods and other things. Then second one, for better health and mental well-beings. As we know, modern lifestyle has made lives very stressful and average lifespan has come down. Hence, the people are constant search for pro natures means to make their life more peaceful. Okay, then Ayurveda, which pro natures has root in a village, and organic foods are demand in urban areas and foreign countries. So nowadays people are looking for some leaves from their stressful lives. They are searching for peaceful lives. Okay, for they would like to visit some places which gives some health and mental benefits or which gives relief from their stressful lives. Then some performing some or some buying some Ayurvedic products, then for the purpose of buying some organic foods from these rural areas, these people love to visit agrotourism centers. Then third one, for the purpose of rest and relaxations. Hectic city life, a daily workload of many citizens leads to them by a state and which they visit to such agrotourism centers, they get an opportunity to calm and rest, enjoy the rural life with the fresh atmosphere from their busy schedules. People are fed up with their busy schedules. They want some rest and relax from their daily life schedules. Okay, that's why people love to visit this agrotourism. Then to enjoy open and free space. As an increase in a populations leads to increase in a building, which automatically resulted into a decrease in a natural vegetations, greenery, agrotourism centers will create a platform to people to enjoy open free space which they don't have in a city areas. Due to the increase in a populations, it leads to increase in a number of buildings and automatically results into the decrease in a natural vegetations or greeneries. Then these agrotourism centers have a create platforms or they are blessed with this natural beauties or this open place and vegetations okay, which don't have in city areas. That's why people loves to visit agro-tourism centers. Then to have some adventurous activities. People from cities and other urban places never experience such rurals, hence each things or each activities are proven as adventurous for them as they have never experienced farm activities and related activities. Every activities which is performed in rural areas is an adventurous activities for these urban peoples. Activities like means sowing of crops, then harvesting of crops, then swimming in rivers, then rafting, then horse ridings or bullock car ridings. These are the adventurous activities for these urban peoples. They love to perform this kind of activities. That's why they visit to the agro-tourism centers. Then to enjoy nature, for the purpose of enjoying the natures, or they love to enjoy the company of natures, where the ones find the peace and relaxed feel which obtain in a agro-tourism centers when they visit. These agro-tourism centers are full with this nature's activities or nature beauties, okay, where various trees or various plants and then various rivers, then desert regions or islands. So these agro-tourisms are filled with such kind of activities, and people want to perform such kind of activities. That's why they love to visit agro-tourism centers. Then for the purpose of watching birds and animals, some birds and animals who are very rare, which don't find in urban areas, which are blessed within in a rural area. People want to see that birds and animals. That's why they would love to visit agro-tourism centers. Okay, some birds and animals like parrots, then sparrows, then dogs, then cat, and even cow, buffalo, bullock. Okay, so people want to see this kind of animals. That's why they love to visit agro-tourism centers. Then for study and knowledge and research, people can also look upon this opportunity as a source of knowledge of research in agricultural and related areas of agriculture, and they can get more knowledge about the rural culture, different cultivation practices used in rural areas. People want to know, or for the purpose of knowledge and research, people visit from urban to rural area. They want to know how this particular crops is grown, or what are the different cultivation practices are carried out in particular crops, or what kind of cultures is there in a rural areas. For this purpose or for this knowledge purpose, people want to visit agro-tourism centers. Then for celebrating some special occasions and festivals, the various occasions are celebrate at agro-tourism sectors, such as they love to celebrate at agro-tourism sectors as it sticks to their cultures, traditions, and bring unity in diversity in their special occasions. Some special occasions like marriage anniversaries, then their birthdays, then their child's birthdays, or different kind of festivals they love to celebrate in rural areas with some touch of some traditional activities. That's why people love to visit agro-tourism centers. Then last one, for the purpose of enjoying rural childhoods, for the purpose of enjoying some rural childhood activities like playing with dandos, then playing kabaddi, or playing gilli danda. Likewise, that's why people love to visit agro-tourism centers. So these about the today's sessions. Now what we learn today? Today we have seen about why people love to travel agro-tourism centers. So these are the 10 reasons. First one, for the purpose of strengthening the family relationships or building the family relationships, because it gives time to spend with each other within the family members. ओके, फॅमिली मेंबरला त्यांच्याशी टाईम स्पेंड करायला भेटतो. आणि आपल्याला माहिती आहे की ॲग्रो टुरिझम सेंटर्समध्ये सर्व प्रकारच्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीज असतात की जो सर्व एज ग्रुप परफॉर्म करू शकतोच. म्हणजे लहान मुलासाठी ॲक्टिव्हिटीज असतात, मोठ्या मुलांसाठी ॲक्टिव्हिटीज असतात, काही स्त्रियांसाठी असतात, पुरुषांसाठी असतात, एज ग्रुपसाठी असतात, सर्वांसाठी ॲक्टिव्हिटीज असतात. त्याच्यामुळे तुम्ही तुमच्या फॅमिलीसहित त्या प्लेसेसला व्हिजिट देऊ शकतास. त्याच्यानंतर फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ बेटर हेल्थ अँड मेंटल वेलबिंग्स, as we know that peoples are very stressful, they want some space or they want leaves from their daily life routines. That's why they love to visit these agro-tourism centers, because it gives a benefit for their health and mental also. Even during the visit, they can also buy some these organic foods or this Ayurvedic product from these rural areas. Okay, लोकांना काय करायचं, लोकांना काय पाहिजे तर बेटर हेल्थ आणि बेटर मेंटल वेलबिईंगसाठी किंवा स्ट्रेसफुल लाईफमधून लिव्ह मिळण्यासाठी त्यांना काय पाहिजे की ह्या रुरल टुरिझम्स किंवा ॲग्रो टुरिझमला व्हिजिट द्यायला त्यांना आवडते. त्याच्यानंतर फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ रेस्ट अँड रिलॅक्सेशन्स, इट गिव्स रेस्ट अँड रिलॅक्सेशन ऑर पीसफुल लाईफ्स. ओके, रुरल लाईफ आणि अर्बन लाईफ जर कम्पेअर केले तर कोणती लाईफ पीसफुल आहे किंवा कोणती जास्तीत जास्त तुम्हाला रिलॅक्सेशन्स किंवा काम आहे तर रुरल लाईफ आहे. तर ह्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीज किंवा ही लाईफ एन्जॉय करण्यासाठी पीपलला किंवा टुरिस्टला आवडले. देन टू एन्जॉय ओपन अँड फ्री स्पेस. Nowadays, if you see, due to the increase in the populations, these urban areas are full with buildings and populations or man in everywhere. So this agro-tourism gives some free space and time, or we can say open space for this tourists or peoples. ओके, आपण शहरामध्ये जर पाहिलं तर शहरामध्ये काय आहे, फक्त बिल्डिंग किंवा बिल्डिंग्स. आणि रुरल एरियामध्ये जर गेलो तर तिथं काय आहे, ग्रीनरी आहे किंवा नवीन नवीन काहीतरी पाहण्यासाठी आहे किंवा काही करण्यासाठी आहे. नॅचरल व्हेजिटेशन आहे, फॉरेस्ट एरिया आहे, आईसलँड आहे किंवा डेझर्ट एरिया आहे. आणि तो एन्जॉय करण्यासाठी पीपलला किंवा लोकांना हे आवडतं. त्याच्यानंतर टू हॅव सम ॲडव्हेंचरस ॲक्टिव्हिटीज. Okay, some activities or some game itself means some rural tradition or rural lives is an adventurous for these urban lives. Okay, these people love to enjoy these activities. Okay, means even swimming in a rivers or fishing in a ponds or even cultivation of crops or performing some harvesting activity is an adventurous for these अर्बन पीपल्स. ओके, रुरल लाईफमधल्या जेवढ्या काही ॲक्टिव्हिटीज आहेत म्हणजे डेली रुटीनमधल्या त्यांच्या नदीमध्ये पोहणे असेल किंवा बैलगाड्यामध्ये जाणं असेल किंवा हॉर्स रायडिंग असेल, तर ह्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीज ह्या अर्बन लोकांसाठी काय आहेत, ॲडव्हेंचरस आहेत. त्या एन्जॉय करण्यासाठी त्यांना ह्या प्लेसेसला विजिट द्यायला आवडेल. त्याच्यानंतर नेचर ब्युटीज, for the purpose of enjoying the nature beauties. These rural areas are blessed with these natural beauties. It having some mountains, it having some plain regions, it having some rivers or different kind of regions. So people want to see that regions or people want to perform such activities in under this natures. So they love to visit agro-tourism centers. जर ॲग्रोटुरिझम सेंटर जर आपण पाहिलं तर हे शक्यतो रुरल एरियामध्ये असतं किंवा ह्याच्यापासून ज्या ठिकाणी नेचरची ब्युटी आहे किंवा ज्या ठिकाणी रिवर आहे, माउंटेन आहे किंवा डिफरंट ॲक्टिव्हिटीज आहेत, तर हे लोकांना पाहण्यासाठी किंवा ह्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीज परफॉर्म करण्यासाठी आवडतं. त्याच्यानंतर बर्ड्स अँड ॲनिमल वॉचिंग, फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ वॉचिंग सम बर्ड्स अँड ॲनिमल्स. स्पॅरो आहे, पॅरेट आहे, त्याच्यानंतर डॉग आहे, कॅट आहे, बुलक आहे, गाय आहे, म्हैस आहे, तर हे पाहण्यासाठी लोकांना आवडतं. त्याच्यानंतर टू स्टडी द नॉलेज अँड रिसर्च ॲक्टिव्हिटीज, फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ knowledge and research means we can also differentiate cultural difference between the urban and rurals, how these rural people lives or what kind of foods they eat or what kind of tradition they are performing, okay, as compared to this urban areas. लोकांना काय पाहिजे की ह्या म्हणजे रुरल एरियामधले लोक कशा प्रकारची लाईफस्टाईल जगतात किंवा कोणत्या प्रकारचं फूड्स खातात तर ते पाहायचं आहे किंवा त्यांच्या इन्कमचा सोर्स किंवा त्यांचं लाईफस्टाईल कशा प्रकारचं आहे हे स्टडी करण्यासाठी किंवा याचा रिसर्च करण्यासाठी त्यांना हे पाहिजे. त्याच्यानंतर देन फॉर सेलिब्रेटिंग सम स्पेशल ऑकेशन्स, okay, because they want to celebrate their special occasions like their marriage anniversaries, okay, 25th marriage anniversary or 15th marriage anniversaries, okay, or their children's first birthdays. असे काही प्रकारचे स्पेशल ऑकेशन्स किंवा फेस्टिवल्स हे त्यांना निसर्गाच्या सानिध्यात सेलिब्रेट करायचे असतात. त्यासाठी लोकांना ॲग्रो टुरिझमला व्हिजिट द्यायला आवडते. देन टू एन्जॉय रुरल चाइल्डहुड, okay, for the purpose of enjoying the rural childhood or how this rural childhood, different games in a rural childhood, okay, playing with the dandos, then this that cycles or लगोरी, डिफरंट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. ओके, ती ग्रामीण भागातले मुलांचे लाईफ फूड्स किंवा ते कशा प्रकारे हे करतात किंवा कोणते हे करतात, तर ते हे करण्यासाठी त्यांना आवडतं. तर ओव्हरऑली दीज आर द सम रिझन्स दॅट्स वाय पीपल लव्स टू विजिट ॲग्रो टुरिझम सेंटर्स. So these are about the whole today's sessions. I hope you have understand. If not, please ask me. Thank you.